REVAN, a helmet-mounted black box for motorcycle enthusiasts. The wide-angle front and rear-facing cameras record video simultaneously, and swappable batteries let you record your entire ride. The heads-up display lets you monitor your rear view in real time. REVAN is easy to install and attaches to your existing helmets. It's compatible with popular helmet brands such as HJC, Shoei, and Array. The heads-up display is clearly visible in both daylight and at night. Use REVAN to make and receive phone calls, or listen to music of your choice wirelessly, all without taking your eyes off the road or your hands off the handlebars. Quickly change to a spare battery in between rides. And join a group call with other riders in your group. Staying safe on the road can be a real challenge. Danger could be hiding in your blind spots. REVAN provides blind spot assistance with a 143-degree field of view that's visible in your heads-up display. So you can keep your line of sight without turning your head to check your blind spots for oncoming traffic. Mount REVAN to the helmet of your choice. Ride smart. Avoid accidents. Maintain your style. And ride the way you want to. REVAN.